Manipur mapalamdagi miyoy kaya masangakpa leptaba amadi coronavirus positive oibagi chang asi nongmunongmagi hengalakpa amadi inaw-nawna Chuchampur amadi Bishenpurdagi community spread tawba yabagi mami tari haina miyamna nganaragliba sigi matangda ngasi impact news na akanana tijulubada Bishenpurdagi su asugumba community spread tawbagi wafam laite haina Bishenpurgi dishina singdokpa laikre adugi su mathakta lana pau sandokpa singdasu miyeng changlagani haibagi wafam amasu lagli aduga nakal amaromda Chuchampur district hospital da isolation ward hangliba asida mathau tawbi nurse nupi ama coronavirus positive oiki haiba pau simadi achumamakne aduga ngarang ase Chuchampur district gi mioi ani positive oikivani mokoi ani dugi manungda amana Chennai dagi halakhibani aduga amana hariba hospital asida nurse oina isolation ward ta duty tawbi mioi amani.
As of now, we have 24 positive cases. 16 has recovered. And latest last night, we got one positive from a nurse. She's 40 years old from Bungmul. She's been posted in isolation ward, district hospital. She has been taking care of the COVID suspected patient. Her sample was taken few days back and the results came out last night around 9:30. And another patient is COVID positive is from Besan Nagar, Chennai, who returned to Chuchampur on 24th of May. He has been working in Chennai for the last 10 years. He is right now stable. He doesn't have any symptom, but his family members, his wife, who is 39 years old, and two daughters, 8 years and 6 years old, they are negative. And their co-inmates, their roommates in Silmar Christian High Secondary School, 3 of the family members also tested negative.
Chuchampurgi nurse ama positive oirakpa sina community spread tawba yabagi mami tare hariba wafam asigi matangdasu akoina Chuchampur district ki mailena authority singa wari saba matamda district hospital Chuchampurgi isolation ward ta coronavirus positive oiba mioi thar leramki madubu langluba nurse adu positive oirakhibani adubu makhoi oiba tonganba quarantine center ama Grace Bible College hariba college asigi hostel da hangnu thammi hari aduga makhoi singasi quarantine center da 7 days lera matungda 7 days ki matungda coronavirus ti test organ negative oireba khakta makhoi chatpagi aya pi hari maram aduna Chuchampur district hospital gi nurse ama coronavirus positive oire haiduna su makoina community spread tawi haibasidi haujuk fawbi oinadi haibada try na haiba yakiro haiba wafam ase thamlagli.
Right now, it's very difficult to say whether we are in a stage of community transmission. But as far as the updates of COVID is concerned, we have 24 cases. 22 are from Chennai returnees, 1 from our hospital staff, a nurse who is posted in isolation ward, and another is from a returnee from Guwahati. So as of now, we cannot say that it is a community transmission because most of the cases are clustering cases from Chennai and other returnees. And regarding the nurse, she has been posted in the isolation ward duties, taking care of the suspected COVID patients. But right now, she's in a quarantine center for the nurses. So she has not mingled or mixed up with her family members.
Haujuk fangwa pau amadana ngasi mak Imphal International Airport thunglakhiba Manipurgi MLA ama quarantine center chatabida mahak masagi quarter da direct chatki habigi pausu lagli adubu hariba wafam sing asida lengang na kadai fawa miyeng changlibagi habidudi makhata na ngai minaki bitari adubu Manipurgi mapandagi lagliba miyam asi Manipurda lakpagi ayaba si leirabasu makoina laglaba matungda isa na lagudaba thodang sing maruina quarantine center da ningthina leibiba amade community spread tawduna ba lengang la kholagliba thorang sing asida ekhoi miyamna cooperate piduna Manipurda community spread lehenda ba haiba wafam asi ekhoi punna ngakpagi tangai fadabadi dumak leiri Camera person Elka Bigalona from Jariba Ikitamayum Premsan Impact News Imphal